Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2018 Hino 195s. This truck does have an 18-foot box with a side entry door. This truck has just had the Hino update done. We have multiple units available. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full listing of our inventory. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.